Looking for a simple way to inspect hard-to-reach spots at home or in your car? In this video, we explore the best articulating borescopes for beginners. Discover tools with HD cameras, flexible 360-degree steering, and easy-to-use designs that make inspections fast, accurate, and stress-free. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. ANCEL AN302 Articulating Borescope. The ANCEL AN302 Articulating Borescope is an ideal choice for beginners who want easy, accurate inspections at home or in the garage. Its two-way articulating design allows smooth maneuvering in tight areas, making tricky inspections far more manageable. With dual cameras, users get both front and side views without needing to reposition the tool. The front camera includes 6 LED lights with 5,000 lux, while the side camera offers 8,000 lux brightness for extra clarity. Each camera features a 70-degree field of view and a 15mm to 100mm depth of field, delivering crisp visibility in narrow spaces. This setup helps beginners spot problems quickly and confidently. A 4.3-inch IPS HD screen supports dual-screen viewing and multiple display modes. Additionally, the AN302 offers 3 adjustable brightness levels, ensuring clear images in any environment. This borescope simplifies inspections with powerful lighting, flexible articulation, and user-friendly controls, perfect for anyone starting their inspection journey. Number 4. Ralcam Two-Way Articulating Borescope. The Ralcam Two-Way Articulating Borescope is a must-have tool for beginners tackling automotive inspections or household maintenance. Designed with ease of use in mind, this endoscope camera features a flexible probe that easily navigates tight spaces, helping you get into areas that are otherwise hard to reach. Its dual cameras, front and side, provide excellent visibility, offering users a wide field of view and adjustable LED lights for clear, detailed images. The light intensity ensures a bright, sharp inspection, even in dark or narrow spaces. Equipped with a 4.3-inch LCD screen, this borescope allows you to switch between camera views seamlessly. With easy-to-use controls and a lightweight design, it's perfect for beginners. The Ralcam borescope simplifies tasks, making inspections faster, more accurate, and more efficient. If you're just starting your inspection journey, the Ralcam Two-Way Articulating Borescope is the tool you need. Number 3. F606B 360-degree high-definition borescope. The F606B 360-degree high-definition borescope is a perfect tool for beginners looking to perform easy and accurate inspections. Designed for automotive and industrial use, this handheld borescope delivers 1080p clarity, allowing users to see even the smallest details in tight spaces. Its 360-degree steering probe offers maximum flexibility, reaching areas that are normally difficult to access. With a 90-degree field of view and IP67 waterproof rating, the F606B performs reliably in wet or confined environments, making inspections safer and more efficient. The borescope features a 4.3-inch monitor with bright LED illumination, ensuring clear visibility even in dark areas. With working lengths from 1 to 3 meters, it adapts to different inspection needs. Compact, portable, and user-friendly, the F606B simplifies maintenance tasks and provides beginners with a reliable, professional-grade inspection tool. Number 2. Zealtron QWE741 Articulating Endoscope. For beginners in home or auto maintenance, the Zealtron QWE741 Articulating Endoscope is a perfect starting tool. This borescope features a 3.9mm camera with two-way 360-degree steering, making it easy to inspect tight and hard-to-reach areas. Its 1080p HD resolution ensures clear, detailed images every time. The 5-inch detachable IPS screen allows flexible viewing, while the handheld design makes it comfortable to use. A replaceable 4,000 mAh battery keeps inspections going longer. Plus, the waterproof camera adds reliability in wet or dusty conditions. Beginners will also appreciate the soft snake tube, toolbox, and free TF card included for easy setup. Compact and versatile, the QWE-741 simplifies inspections for cars, pipes, and machinery. Its combination of high-definition imaging, durability, and ease of use makes it a top choice for beginners seeking professional results. Number 1. Luxmart LMS ZP701 Articulating Endoscope. For beginners in home or auto maintenance, the Luxmart LMS ZP701 Articulating Endoscope is a reliable and easy-to-use tool. Its 7-inch HD IPS screen provides crystal-clear visuals, making engine and sewer inspections simple and precise. The dual lens with 360-degree steering lets users navigate tight spaces effortlessly for a full view. Safety and durability are top priorities. The LMS ZP701 features high-temperature protection and an IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring reliable performance in extreme or wet conditions. Its 1.6-meter flexible snake tube reaches areas that are hard to access, making it ideal for both industrial and home inspections. Compact, versatile, and user-friendly, this borescope combines high-definition imaging, flexibility, and durability. Whether checking engines, pipes, or machinery, the Luxmart LMS ZP701 offers beginners a professional-grade inspection tool that's efficient, safe, and convenient.